Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everybody and everywhere to our channel Change Your Life with the Quran. Today we are going to interpret a new surah. This surah is Surah Al-Qalam, so please keep watching. Welcome back. First of all, I'd like to tell you, my dear followers, the reason for the revelation of this surah. The reason was that the disbelievers used to accuse the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ of insanity, and they accused him of pretending to be a prophet. So, swearing by the pen refers to the greatness of the Prophet, because the Prophet ﷺ said, "Verily, the first of what Allah created was the pen," and He said to it, "Write." The pen said, "O my Lord, what shall I write?" He said, "Write the decree, and whatever will throughout eternity." That's why Allah is swearing by the pen in this surah. Now, let's talk about the individual letters in the Quran before we start the interpretation. The individual letters in the beginning of some surahs are among those things whose knowledge Allah has kept only for Himself. It was said that these letters are the names of some of the surahs. It was also said that these letters are the beginnings that Allah chose to start the surahs of the Quran with, such as Qaf, Sad, and Alif Lam Mim. Now let's start the interpretation. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Noon. Noon is one of the letters of the alphabet, and God knows best what He means by it. وَالْقَلَمِ وَمَا يَسْطُرُونَ. By the pen with which He has inscribed the records of all creatures in the preserved tablet, and what they inscribe, that is the angels of good and righteousness. ما أنت بنعمة ربك بمجنون. O Muhammad, you are not by the grace of your Lord a madman. That's to say, madness is precluded in your case, on account of your Lord's grace to you by way of His assigning to you prophethood. And in other ways, this was a refutation of their saying that he was a madman. وَإِنَّ لَكَ لَأَجْرًا غَيْرَ مَمْنُونٍ. And assuredly you will have an unfailing reward. وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَى خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ. And assuredly you have a magnificent nature. فَسَتُبْصِرُ وَيُبْصِرُونَ. Then you will see, and they will see. بِأَيِّكُمُ الْمَفْتُونُ. Which of you is demented? إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين. Assuredly, your Lord knows best those who stray from His way, and He knows best those who are guided to Him. My dear followers, we shall stop here and continue next time, inshallah. Thank you for watching. Please follow our channel to learn more about Surah Al-Qalam, to learn more about Allah's words, and change your life with the Quran.